how they spoke your name. Emotional. I don't think they heard you, man. Emotional. Who's the best rapper around? Emotional. Who's the new killer in town? Emotional.
All right, y'all, that's the last song off of the project Old Enough from Miss Angelinajordan. The song is Fire and Rain. We've already done Now I'm the Fool, and there was another one. I can't remember the name of the title. Like the videos and stuff like that, we did those already, so I'm not gonna do the audio, so because there's really no point. But we about to go ahead and check out Fire and Rain Visualizer. Let's get into it, you dig?
If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me. If the sky gets too dark, I just look for my North Star. Finding you is easy, 'cause I carry you with me. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low. The places that I go.
Ooh.
Fire and rain, keep throwing.
The snares, they drifted from one side to the other. I don't get how y'all do that, but I need to learn how to do that.
On my way, I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain, try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. Well, I grow maybe with you by my side. I know I'm alright. Sweet dreams I'm making through the dark and cold. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low. The places that I go. Fire and rain.
I like her flow switches, or like the melody switches, whichever the right phrase is called in singing. But I like how she kind of like just floats around like on the beat, like she's just riding that mug, and it's just real smooth. It's just a really good vibe. I really like what she's doing, and it's like this one is the smoothest out of all of them, but also it's very like uplifting. You know what I'm saying? I like that.
Keep throwing on my way. I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain, try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain.
Go off.
If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me.
Beautiful. All right, y'all, that's the end of that vid. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I like that one. That one was really, really good. It was really smooth, and again, like I said, very uplifting. I love when artists do like uplifting music because it can help your day get better and brighter. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like it uplifts the artist, but at the same time it uplifts the audience too. So I really like that one. But I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, y'all. Peace, easy, baby. Lay y'all. I don't know why I did it like that. Just go with it, please and thank you.
I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain.
Came to get down. You know that I came to get down. Came to get down. Me and my squad, we came to get down. Came to get down. You know that we came to get down. Came to get down.